Coming from the network of democracy and human rights education, DARE. We are active all over Europe, and we are coming here with two different projects. The first one is STEPS. It happened during 2017-2018, and what we try to do is to address which was the role of youth work for addressing populism. There was this rise of populism, propaganda, post-truth coming in Europe, and we wanted to see the way that youth work could support young people. As a consequence of that project, we started with TEVIP, Translated European Values into Practice. We saw that it's very difficult to deal with populism and with propaganda, but when we are able to build positive narratives and work on a value-based approach, then we can support young people in a better way. When we work specifically with youth, we see different challenges. There is not the same amount of funding, there is not the same recognition, and we see problems to get quality partners. Having a European Academy on Youth Work is something that we believe will allow us to get together with other key stakeholders, with the national agencies and with the European institutions, and be able to raise the quality of the educational work that we do. There is a problem right now with youth work, and is that for many people it means many different things. For some people, youth work is the work done with young people. For other people, it's something specialized with their own university degrees and continuous process. Having these European academies for youth work can support defining what is exactly the concept of youth work and how youth work can be done better in national level and in European level. An important element of youth work is to have the possibility of working in long term with groups of young people, not for their empowerment, but for their emancipation. So I believe that we should support these long-term processes with youth instead of individual, short-term international mobilities.